Ever wanted to build a Discord bot but don't know how to code? Watch this. I'm using Gemini AI to write the entire code for a profile command. I just gave it a simple prompt, and look at that, clean, professional Python code in seconds. Now, let's head over to VS Code, paste the bot token, and hit run. Time to test it in Discord. I'll type the profile command, and boom. A beautiful user card with the avatar, join date, and roles. It actually works perfectly. AI is completely changing the game for developers. If you want to see more cool AI projects like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button.